Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make exams in Google Forms. Google Forms is a powerful tool for creating online exams, quizzes, and assessments. It allows you to add multiple choices, short answers, and checkbox questions, automatically grade responses, and provide instant feedback. And here's how you can create an exam in Google Forms. The first step is to create a new quiz. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com and go to the website workspace.google.com/product/forms. And after that, make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Now, once logged in, you'll be directed to your Forms account's dashboard. From here, click on the blank form, go to the Start New Form section, and click on Blank Form. Now in the settings, go to the settings section right here and make sure you go to the settings section and toggle the option make this a quiz on. You can toggle this by drawing this button right here and toggle this on, enabling the make a quiz button. This allows automatic grading. Now you can customize the quiz however you want by modifying these options. As you can see here, you can choose this option right here. You can assign values, point values. The second step is to add the exam questions, and to do that, go to the questions section again. You can title it exam, for example. You can write a description for the exam, for example, the duration of the exam and the location, etc., and the class. And in this section right here, make sure you add questions. You can add questions by clicking on the plus button. You can also separate it by separate sections right here. Now for the questions, there are different question types. There are multiple choices for single answer questions, checkboxes for multiple correct answers, short answers for brief responses, paragraphs for essay type answers. You can also, after you choose, click on the answer key to set the correct answer. As you can see, you can here do that to set the correct answer, and you can assign also the points here. The third step is to enable automatic grading. Now for multiple choices and checkbox questions, select the correct answers and assign point values to each questions and enable release grades to show results immediately after manual review. The fourth step is to add exam rules and time limits. Include instructions in the form description and use add-ons like form timer to enforce time limits. The sixth step is to share the exam and analyze the results, and you can do this by clicking on send and share the link with the students. You can go to the after you publish, make sure you publish the form, the quiz, exam, and click on the share button and copy the link. Make sure you change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, or you can alternatively add the emails of the students in this section right here and send them the link by clicking on the copy responder link and sharing it with the students. And now your Google form is set up as an exam with automatic grading and response tracking. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.